Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the 14-inch M1 Pro. Now you can see this is 14-inch 2021 and the chip is M1 Pro. The RAM is 16 gigabyte and you can see the storage is 2 terabyte. You can see the battery information and cycle count 80 and the battery capacity is 88%. And you can see this is space gray color. You can see the keyboard. Traces of use, you can see the oily sheen and no scratch here, no scratch. The speaker grills, no scratch, and this side also no scratch. And the trackpad function, you can see it's normal. The trackpad is okay. And show you this logo surface, you can see the shining logo no scratch. Alright, logo no scratch, and you can see M1 Pro 16 gigabyte and 2 terabyte. Okay, no scratches, no scratches here, no scratches, and you can see the ports, no scratch. You can see no scratches, and you can see this edge. Okay, no problem this edge, and let me show you this side. The corner a little bit dirty here, You can see the port. A little bit of traces used. You can see the HDMI. This edge. Okay, no problem, and you can see the back. A little bit of scratch here, you can see. Okay, only here the scratch. Okay, let me show you the 40-inch display. Let me change the wallpaper. I close this and the gray color. Okay, you can see. No problem. The display is no problem. Good display, and this price is about 6,800. And let me show you a dark gray. This color, no problem. 6,800 CNY. And let me show you the gray, the red color. The red color also no problem. The red color, no problem. And show you the green color. The green color also no problem. Okay, you need to check different color because if the screen has somewhere broken or the bright spot or the other dark spot, you can see it. This screen is okay. Okay, it dust. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is the M1 Pro 14-inch, 16 gigabyte and 2 terabyte. This machine. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, I am in the wholesale market about the MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video.